Hello students, 12th Accountancy, Unit 3, Accounts of Partnership Firm, Illustration number 22. Durai and Whelan entered into partnership agreement on 1st April 2018. 1st April 2018 is the opening year mean, 31st March 2019 is the academic year end. Durai contributing rupees 25,000 and Whelan contributing 30,000 as capital. So Durai's capital amount rupees 25,000. Whelan capital amount rupees 30,000. The agreement provided that profit and losses is to be shared in the ratio of 2:5. So in that case 2/5 for Durai, 3/5 for Whelan as between Durai and Whelan. So in the first point they have given that agreement ratio. Then second one, partners to be entitled to interest on capital 5% per annum. That case partners they have contributed the capital for that 5% per annum interest should be provided. So for B the calculation should be done, that is interest on calculation. For Durai 25,000 into 5/100 should be provided because he contributed 25,000, as well as for Whelan 30,000 into 5/100, 20 is cancelled. So 250 into 5 0, 25 to 12, 1,250. Here 20 is cancelled, 20 is cancelled. 3 into 5, 15, 20. That case 1,500. So interest on capital is calculated. So B option calculation is over. Then what is C? Interest on drawings to be charged Durai 300 and Whelan 450. The amount is given directly to us. In that case it also should be recorded in the sum. Then Durai to receive salary 5,000 for the year, not per annum. Sorry, not for per month. Per month mean you have to multiply with 12,000. Sorry, 12 into 5,000. 12 into 5,000. Here they have given total year for the year. For the whole year they have given 5,000 is a salary. And Whelan to receive commission of rupees 2,000. So commission also whole year commission only is given here. During the year the firm made of rupees 20,000 before adjustment of interest, salary and commission. In that case what they are saying mean, from the profit and loss account the earned net profit is 20,000. Prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Now they ask us to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account alone. They didn't ask the journal entry. Now profit and loss appropriation account for the year ended 31st March 2019. The format is drawn debit, credit. It's a ledger account. Particulars inner column, outer column. Particulars inner column, outer column. First you have to enter the net profit amount which is transferred from the profit and loss account by net profit. Amount rupees 20,000. So in the outer column amount rupees 20,000 is recorded. So it's over. Then what is given first? Profit sharing ratio is given. That should be used only while you are distributing the profit to the partners. Then B, what is given? Interest on capital. What is the interest on capital? 2,000, 1,250, 1,500. You see here in profit and loss appropriation account, credit side we have to enter the net profit amount which is transferred from the profit and loss account, and interest on drawings. Interest on drawings alone will be recorded. Here in debit side, interest on capital, commission to the partners, salary to the partners. That is profit and loss partnership firm expenses are entered here. Expenses related to the partners. The amount due to the partners, it will be recorded in the debit side. The amount due from the partner, it will be recorded in the credit side. Now we can go for that. Sum B, interest on capital. So to interest on capital, what is the amount? For Durai 1,250, for Whelan 1,500. So total amount 2,750. 2,750. So B is recorded. Then what they have given for C? Interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is a income to the partnership firm which is received from the partner for their withdrawal. So it will be entered in the credit side by interest on drawings. Durai, how much amount? 300, Velan 450. So total amount 750, that should be entered in the outer column. So C also recorded. Then what is D? Durai to receive a salary 5,000. So salary to Durai. Salary to Durai, how much amount? 5,000. Then commission. Commission to Velan 2,000 is recorded. So all the entries are made. Now we are going to balance the profit and loss appropriation account. In credit side, you got the amount 20,750. Here you got the less amount 750, 279, 9,750. Difference amount 20,750 minus 0, 0, 0, 1, 11,000. So the 11,000 amount should be distributed to the partners in their profit sharing ratio to partners capital account. To partners capital account. Who are the partners? Durai and Velan. So Durai's capital account, Velan's capital account. So the 11,000 is going to be distributed in their profit sharing ratio. So the profit sharing ratio is 11,000 into 2/5 for Durai, 3/5 for Velan. So 2 into 5, 155, 2 5s are 10, then 2 5s are 10. How many zeros left out? 2 zeros. So 2,200 into 2, 4,400 for Durai. The same way, suppose 3% mean 2,200 into 3, 6,600. So 6,600 for Velan. So total amount 11,000 is placed out. When you are going to balance the both sides, you got the amount 20,750. So it might be asked as a 5-mark question, dear.